If you're wondering how to get rid of the draft when making a Skool course, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through how to solve this issue quickly, and you'll also discover a few useful tips along the way. Stay tuned, because I'll be sharing the best tools for course creation, and by the end, you might just find a solution that's even better for your needs. When you're creating a course in Skool, the platform automatically saves your content in draft mode until you're ready to publish it. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure that your course is fully set up and you're ready to go live. Skool won't let you publish until all the essential details are filled in, so double-check your course outline, lessons, and descriptions. Next thing, look for the Publish button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the course creation page. If you've filled out all required fields, this button should be visible and active. If you're not seeing it, it's possible that some minor information is missing, such as course categories or tags, so make sure those are filled in as well. The third thing to check is your course visibility settings. Skool allows you to set your course as private or public. If you're not seeing the option to publish, it could be due to the course being set to private by default. Simply adjust the visibility to public and hit publish. Now, if you've done all of this and the draft still won't disappear, it's likely a glitch or a sync issue. One solution is to refresh your browser or log out and back in. Sometimes the platform just needs to reload to reflect the changes. If this doesn't work, clearing your browser's cache can help eliminate any old data that might be causing issues. Next, if you're still having trouble, I suggest checking the course's payment status. If you're using Skool's paid features, it's important to ensure that your payment has gone through successfully. If there's a payment issue, your course might remain in draft mode until everything clears. The last thing I want to mention is that Skool isn't the only platform out there for course creation. While it's great for building simple courses with a community element, there are competitors like Thinkific, Teachable, and Kajabi that offer more customization options, better marketing tools, and extensive support. Each of these platforms has its strengths, but if you're looking for a streamlined experience with powerful course creation tools that go beyond the draft issue, I highly recommend exploring something like Teachable. It comes with an intuitive interface, built-in email automation, and features designed to grow your audience, not just host your content. Before you decide, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for Teachable through my link in the description below, and if you're interested in exploring Skool further. I've included some amazing alternatives that are even better suited to your course creation goals. So make sure to check them out and grab the best deals available. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out!